Round 1. Chain 2 and make a double crochet into each stitch all around the cardigan. Continue. At the end of round 1, make a slip stitch into the chain. Round 2. Chain 2 to work into the posts, so let me show you. You're going to work into these verticals bars that you see right here in your regular double crochet work, and these are your posts that you will work into. Yarn over as you normally would and go in through the front of this bar, around the back and to the front again, and then make a double crochet. Now for the back post, yarn over. Now go to the back of the work and go behind that post over the front and make double crochet. Now repeat these 2 steps. This is how it looks so far. At the end of round 2, make a slip stitch into the chain. Chain 1 and cut the excess yarn. Thanks for watching.